Hello guys, welcome back to Sapima tutorial. Today we'll be looking at the application of cosine rule. In my previous video, I was able to handle the derivation of cosine rule, and other previous videos, I was able to handle both the derivation and the application of sine rule. So you can check up for the videos on my page. But today we'll be looking at this problem using it to emphasize on the application of cosine rule, and then we'll be solving other questions, right? Before we do that, let's consider the conditions for which we use cosine rule to solve a problem on a triangle. The first condition we'll be seeing is whenever you have a triangle and you are given two sides of that triangle with an included angle, you use cosine rule. We have a triangle, two sides are given, an angle in between the two sides given. We use cosine rule to solve. If I have this triangle now, I am given A and B, and then an angle is here. This angle is not in between the both of them. I can't solve with cosine rule. Or if the angle takes this position, I have A, I have B, or angle is here. I can't use it. I can't use this guy because the angle is not included. Okay, if I write it here, the angle here, or A, my B is here, I can't still use cosine rule. Sine rule will go for this one, all right? Then the second condition or consideration for using cosine rule is that you are given a triangle and all the sides are given to you, but none of the angles are given to you. Then you are looking for the angle. In this situation, we use cosine rule to solve. So these are the two situations that we majorly use cosine rule to simplify. Let's solve. Recall the formula of cosine rule. I'll be using C since I'm looking for C. So I'll say C squared is equal to A and B, A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C, capital letter C, because I am looking for the side C. So I'll be using the angle given to me. Let us substitute. C squared is equal to my A is the side facing A, which is 3 squared, plus my B squared is the side facing B, which is 2 squared, minus 2 into 3 and 2 cos 80. My angle is 80. Alright, so let's simplify. 3 squared is giving me 9, 2 squared is 4, minus 2 times 2, 3 times 2 is 6 times 2, 12, then cos 80. Let us get the value of cos 80. Cos 80 is equal to 0.3090169994. Then let us add here. Please don't subtract 12 from here when you add. You multiply first before we subtract. Adding here, I will have 13 minus 12 times this value here. I'll be having 3933. Then we can subtract. This minus this will give me 9.291796060. Then to get C, take the square root of the both sides. Square will cancel square root. My C will now be equal to 3.048244752. Let's approximate to the nearest whole number. I will have C equal to 3 cm, the nearest whole number. In the second question, we are required to find the side facing the angle, that is y. So let us write down our formula first. A squared equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. Alright. Then we apply the parameters we have here. We are looking for y, so what comes here? Equal to 5 squared plus 3 squared minus 2 into 5 and 3 cos 180 minus 102. Now the reason is because 102 is obtuse. It has exceeded 90 degrees, therefore has entered the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, cos is always a negative. So we are going to be using the supplement of the angle 102 so that we'll change this guy into a negative value. You can check my previous video on the derivation of cosine rule for more explanation on why I am subtracting 102 from 180. All right. So, but whenever you have an angle here that is bigger than 90 degrees, observe what I will do with it. That is what you always do with it. So I'll have y squared equal to, this is 25 plus 9 minus 5 times 3, 15 times 2, here is 30, and then I'll have minus cos 78. So I added negative because cosine is negative on the second quadrant. Then let's continue. I will have y squared equal to, add here, I will have 34 minus 30 times, let's get the value of cos 78. This will give me minus 0.33873,792. Then multiply it with negative 30. I will have 34 plus 10.162,137,61. These are negative, multiply negative will give us positive. Then we add the both of them. I will have y squared to be equal to 44.16 to 13761. Take the square root of the both sides to eliminate the square here. Therefore, y will be equal to square root of this will give me 6.64545,994. Let us approximate to one decimal place, 6.6 cm, one decimal place. Remember, we are not told to which decimal place we are approximating to. So whatever decision you have taken, you must define it, you must let us know. Okay.